Good afternoon, guys. In my latest video about the radio and that kind of stuff, Tyler Murphy asked me about how my setup was for the car, if I have some kind of get home bag and that kind of stuff. And Tyler, I must say that I don't. I have done things different in my car that I am comfortable with to make to sort out any situation I can come in. So should I show you what I have in my car then for different kind of stuff? Okay, as you see, I have been shop groceries and that kind of stuff today. Here I got some stuff I need for a bad situation. Anything can happen. I live in the middle of Sweden and we could have really bad winters, bad roads. Of course, this is not one of that items. And here I got some Ipsic target. I don't know why I have leave them there, but here I have some kind of toolbox. If I get a flat tire, I have ropes here, duct tape, silver tape we call it in Sweden, and different kind of tools. And I also got the same tools that I use in the woods, not this. This is a Swedish Army field shovel, and this one is indestructible. Pretty sharp here to use in close combat, but I of course use it for helping people out of the snow and that kind of stuff. I got my axe, Fiskars X10, and a bow saw. I also have two extra blades here. And here I got the Swedish Army, what should I call it, winter smock. Can come in good need if you must wrap somebody in some warm clothes. And when you choose one of this, you should take one size bigger than yourself, so you got a lot of air inside it. I'm gonna show you how big it is. Very warm. Let's say you must wrap a person in a car accident or something. This could come in good need. And of course the med kit that I have created myself, what I think is needful. You see, it have broken here. I must fix this. This road, by the way, is if I want to go to my father's place, I must use the highway. But this road is also leading to that place, but through the woods. Can come in need. And here, what do I got here? I got Swedish Army, you say Atlas in English, road map. Every single road you can find in Sweden or here. I'm not so much into GPS and that kind of stuff. I prefer maps. And here we have a very strong flashlight, super strong, that I can charge here in the car if I like. I got the Columbia River multi-tool and Gerber Gator and fire kit and headlamp. And that kind of stuff. Paper for my car and that pencils. I forgot, here in the back I have one thing more that I think can come in very big need, because I think it was in January I stopped at the highway helping people out. They have run out of gas. And they were lucky because I was there and I gave them 5 liters of gasoline. Here I also have extra water. Not sparkling water, don't. Because if you have just standard water you can use it for many things. And here is, here I only got one thing. Another Gerber knife, I don't remember the name. Serrated blade with a window crusher, or what you call it. You can smack it in like that. Very strong folding knife. Well, I think that was everything. I don't think I have more stuff in my car. Like you see, no get home bag, because I think you must adapt your clothes. Depends on the weather you are in. You can't go to work if you have, like me, 25 kilometers in the middle of winter time with summer clothes, and then you get stuck, and then it's gonna be a pretty hard time. Now I'm dressed for summertime, and I'm gonna go to work soon, and all the stuff I have in my car is enough for me to sort things out, I guess. I used to have power bars to eat. I don't know where they are. I guess somebody had eaten them up. But I got water. And if I go out in the bush very long distance, I have my rucksack. Because you see, I don't have any cooking gear, so I don't need that. That I have in my rucksack when I go out. And a good car, of course, a Dacia Duster 4-wheel drive.